Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Brominating Granular. What is Leisure Time Brominating Granular? A one-step sanitizer and shock for spa and hot tub water. It dissolves completely without leaving cloudy or insoluble residue in water. It reduces the growth of bacteria and clarifies to produce sparkling clear water. Usage directions. To start up a new spa or hot tub or one recently drained. Step 1. Clean all surfaces, backlash or clean the filter, chemically balance the calcium hardness and total alkalinity, treat for metals, if present, iron, copper, and manganese, and adjust the pH to 7.2 to 7.6. Step 2. Add 7.5 grams, 1.5 tablespoon, of this product per 300 gallons of water directly to the spa or hot tub with the circulation system on. Measure bromine residuals after 15 minutes and repeat dosage until an active bromine concentration of 2 to 4 ppm in residential spas is established. The presence of organ debris, high bather use, and other factors may require a higher dosage. Step 3. Use test strips to monitor for bromine regularly. Do not allow cyanuric acid level to exceed 100 ppm. It is recommended that spa and hot tubs be drained every 30 to 90 days, more often if under heavy use. Shock treatment. Water-soluble, non-filterable wastes can accumulate in spa or hot tub water and cause dull or cloudy water and stimulate algae growth. Superoxidation or superchlorination with a suitable oxidizing shock treatment must be done on a regular basis to remove these wastes and maintain clear sparkling water. Step 1. Add 30 grams, 6 tablespoons, of this product per 300 gallons of water directly to the spa or hot tub with the circulation system on. Step 2. Re-entry into treated spa or hot tubs is prohibited above levels of 8 ppm bromine due to risk of bodily injury. Dosage. Start up. 7.5 grams, 1.5 tablespoon, per 300 gallons of water until bromine residual of 2 to 4 ppm is reached. Shock treatment. 30 grams, 6 tablespoon, per 300 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.